Sprite, yo.
Not bleaching her Sprite, though.
An orgasm.
Oh my god, that voice. Oh my god, like that. I'm sorry. So like, what's some things that you like can't deal with a girl? Like what is something?
I didn't even know this was a thing at first, but like I love a girl who loves to laugh, but I hate a girl who has an annoying laugh.
Yes, like I hate that shit. Like some bitches be sounding like they dying or something, son. I'm like,
yeah, like I used to deal with this one girl, yo, like her laugh, my nigga.
So are you from New York or?
It's actually a funny story.
But I don't know, son. Like, yo, I hated her laugh, yo.
No, I feel you. It's like, damn, can you shut up?
Right? Like, yo, no funny shit. Like, I wanted to put bleach on her.
No, you kill me. No, he said bleach in her Sprite. I can't.
Her Sprite, yo.
Not bleaching her Sprite, though. I'm not even gonna lie, Gallus. Like, you smell mad good.
Oh, thanks.
Not even gonna lie.
I'm saying. It's actually my own fragrance.
Ooh.
And then I have like masculine and feminine.
Oh, wow.
So for the thugs and then for the woman. So, you know, if you need help finding out man, you know what I'm saying? I got you.
No, Gallus, you're actually killing me. I swear, like that.
Wait, hold on.
What happened?
Okay, all right. What you saying?
No, yeah, like what made you start selling
I
them?
used to wear them myself. Like I used to just mix the fragrance myself and then just wear it. And anytime I go on a booking or something like that, like if a girl hugged me or some shit, like, oh my god, you smell.
Sorry, my laugh is so embarrassing. I'm sorry, my laugh is ugly. I'm so sorry. That's
okay.
I'll try to control it.
I was just like, what? I'm almost afraid to make you laugh anymore.
Oh my god, stop.
So are you from New York or?
It's actually a funny story.
Alright, I'm gonna put on some music. That cool?
Yeah, that's cool. Just hurry up.
Alright, I'm gonna turn the light off too. Alright, I'm about to put it in.
Put it in where?
In your pom pom?
No, put it in my eyes. I wanna blink you.
You wanna what?
Oh my god, don't tell me you never fuck blinks.
I've literally never heard of this.
Alright, fine. Just slice my chest open and lick my heart.
What?
Oh my god, don't tell me you don't eat hearts, nigga.
Eat heart? Oh, what the? Who does?
Oh
who does
lord,
that?
nigga, just choke me, please.
Alright, that I can do.
Nigga, that's how you choke it? Nigga, that's weak. Kill me.
Can you wait, please? Can you just hold on for 1 second?
Get the gasoline on the side of the bed.
Why is there?
Just get it.
Okay. Okay, it got on my shoes. Hold on.
Light me.
Okay, can you hold on? So aggressive. Oh
Yes, right there.
Yo, I'm calling the police.
Wait, hold on. I want you to eat my ashes.
Yeah, go eat your mom. I'm not doing that.
Okay, whatever. Fuck off. Ain't nobody give a shit about that.
Okay, that's why your dick small.
Oh, my dick small?
Yes.
Well, your pussy smell like Aki.
What?
Okay?
And nigga, fuck out of here. And
fuck you and your pH balance. That's and. Okay, it's all fucked up.
And nigga, and
Yeah, whatever. Yeah, you ain't got shit to say.
Alright, fuck out of here, nigga. And
Yeah, whatever. Fuck off. That's why your pussy ain't shit.
Walande, massive, walande, you coulda never stop blood club, right? Me know say my pussy, I come, try style about my pussy, I no shit. Your brain a blood clot. You get my pussy mixed up with your big mother sour blood clot pussy where you skydive out our there, yeah. No matter why you mouth, but you try talk about my pussy, I no shit when you walk on with this little piece of skin called dick. You're disgusting, My pussy sweet, no blood clot. Remember say I hit same when your face choke up in You're full of chat right now, but you never just say nothing when me I ride your face like yang. Bright na blood clot. Tongue in on me pussy where I no shit a lebe. So why your tongue there lebe? If me pussy a no shit, body blood clot, pussy clot boy. Bright na blood clot. You sour like
Babe. Yeah. Does my hair look good like this?
Yeah, your hair look lit, but I just noticed you had a big ass forehead, son.
Oh. Okay, but weren't both your parents on drugs and tried to sell you for some Clarks? Oh. Okay, I'm just making sure that's the same person. It's you that it happened to. I was just trying to see, okay? And I was supposed to bring you to the clinic today, right? Because you have an STD, because you're fucking around with these bitches. So now you got the clap. So now you sitting there looking stupid, clapping, over there clapping and shit. Because I'm not bringing you to the clinic. No clinic, no clinic, no clinic, because you got jokes. I got a big forehead, but you got a big ass tumor in your nose that doctors won't touch because you ain't got no insurance. Better call John Q. Hopefully he know what to do. Since we just saying shit, since we pointing shit out, since we just saying shit that